you said how to make money. Well, that's the question everybody says and want the answer to. You probably think it's a very simple question and it has a very simple answer to it, but it's a very vivid and a big question because everybody asks the same question: how to make money quickly. Even today, my dad comes up to me and I'm like, hey, what are you saying? I'm doing something in my room. So he knocks. I'm like, okay, dad, wait a minute. I'm doing something. So I was working on my business and making my schedule. He knocks again. I was like, okay, dad, all right, wait a minute. I'm going to come. I'm going to open the door and you can tell me whatever it is. I opened the door. There was a gamble stuff in the screen. I was like, dad, don't bring those stuff into my room because I don't want those gambling and negative energy and stuff in my room. So the bottom line is that he showed me an app. He was like, son, you walk back and forth to school, right? I was like, yeah, dad, I do that. And he was like, what I want you to do is download this app that will give you money when you do that. And I was like, dad, bro, nobody gives you money for free. And there is no way by you just walking, you're going to get paid. That shit's fake. And it sounds too true. I don't know, there's a saying that says, when it sounds too fake to be true, something like that. It goes along that line. So I'll put it right here. It's maybe it sounds too true, maybe it sounds too fake to be truth. So that's how it was. And I was like, dad, nobody will give you free money. You got to do something. So coming back in your question and answering that question, and I really literally write this down, maybe not a correct spelling, but I just wanted to tell you that whoever is watching this and I was in your position and I was looking or searching on YouTube, watching these stuffs and doing all these etc stuff, how to make money and stuff. I was in that position and I'm still trying to grow and get better. I'm not gonna say I'm the best and I'm up there and I'm doing it. No, I'm still getting up there. You have to, money, let me just read this. Money, you have to give value to get money. That's the bottom line. You have to give value in some sort of way. You have to become valuable as a person, as your mindset, as a character. You got to work on yourself to become more valuable to the market, to businesses, to whatever it is your passion or you want to do it. For example, I love AI. That's why I built my agency. So for you, you got to find that specific thing that you're in love with and then try to build a business around it. That's how simple it is. Bear in mind, it will not be easy. It will be hard. It will be difficult. It will be pain in the ass and you will get rejected. People will say no to you. Shit will go, bro. But the bottom line is you got to be disciplined. You got to be focused. You got to be consistent. And I'm not going to say I am the successful person and I am disciplined. Sometimes I'm not, bro. I'm just going to be honest with you. Sometimes I'm skipping cold calling and sometimes I'm not doing the hard work. It's just how it is. It's not feasing it. But the bottom line is if you want to become somebody that wants to do something and have an impact on your life or become something, you got to have a value. You got to have something that you could provide to exchange it for money. So what I'm doing in my agency is that I provide value to businesses and those businesses will give me money in the exchange. So if I don't do anything or provide anything for those businesses, why would they pay me for no reason? So I'm bringing value to their company. I'm making them more efficient. I'm saving more time for them and I'm helping them to basically put their time that they could pick up phones and do all those other etc stuff to put that time on something else, building and growing something else instead of 24/7 being on the phone and answering calls for their clients or their whatever it is, let's just say real estate agent, whatever it is. So you got to provide value. So the bottom line I want you to take away, it's value. If you don't provide value, nobody will pay you and everybody will just get away from you. So the bottom line is value. You got to become valuable as a person yourself. You got to work on yourself. I don't know if I spell it right, but the bottom line is value. So if you don't provide value, nobody gives a shit about you. You got to become valuable. Read books, listen to podcasts, go talk to good people, surround yourself with good individuals and mindset characters, and be away from negative people. Start developing your character, start developing your mindset, your communication, and pick a business idea that you love or whatever it is you're passionate about and build a business around it. That's the only way you can do anything else. You got to become valuable as yourself. I was not a person of value. I was there and I'm not going to say I'm there, but I'm way better than I was. And the things I'm going to tell you today, I hope it helped you. I hope you take action and apply, and whatever it is that you took value out of this video. And I'm going to provide as much value as I can in this YouTube channel. And I don't know until how long I'm going to be keep posting one video a day. But the bottom line is I will do my freaking best to provide as much value as I can in every video, in every single day. So for this video, see you tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. Again, I'm going to provide as much value as I can. Yep.